Alrighty, I have a problem with my Macintosh Classic, and you see the problem here. I guess it is maybe the CRT board and needs to be recapped, but I am not an expert in this, so I wish if somebody could tell me if that thing is toasted or if there is any help for my Macintosh Classic. Like last time I used it was 2 years ago, and 2 years ago it was actually fine, but I think some capacitors are totally gone now for the CRT driver board, or however you call that. It's a shame because I actually wanted to make a video about my Apple Macintosh Classic, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. Okay, after a few minutes we are at this point. Something happened. It's warming up, but you see we still have big issues here, and I am not sure if it even finds a system. But for the system, I often have a problem with the hard disk drive. So this one is pretty old and I didn't start it, so I made a note here a long time ago which actually reads to boot in the OS 6, which is on the ROM, to press down Command plus Option plus X plus O. I need to Google actually again what I meant with that, but I had the note right here on top, so I'm pretty sure that made sense at one time. So still to my question, what can I do here to fix that? Alrighty, good news. I actually got it running. The hard disk drive is not running, but there is a trick actually. And for the English keyboard, it would be you hold Command, Option, X, and O together when you start it up. And then the Macintosh Classic actually can boot from the ROM, the OS 6.0. And I am hoping if it ever boots, which doesn't look like this right now, that we maybe have a chance to see if the hard disk drive is working. But apparently my monitor now seems to be stable. Maybe because I didn't power it on for years, the capacitors need it sometimes. I do not know. Unfortunately, we are just seeing this screen here and nothing more. Hey, alrighty, so good news. It appears that it slowly tries to boot now. And of course I brought this baby over from Germany with me. So it is in German here, which is fine for me. And I guess the keyboard, it's not the original keyboard, right? But for whatever reason it works, and I have that mouse here as well. Now I wonder if we actually ever have a chance to access the hard drive repair, whatever thing. But here's the cool thing. I wanted to make a story about the Classic Mac and show you the command so that it actually is able to boot in OS 6 as a default, which is in the ROM. Now here it actually tells me there is a system failure. It reads Finder and it reads failure number 41, whatever that means. And it says if I want to restart. Now we're gonna restart now, but I doubt that this will do any good. I would hope that we could get out the floppy disk, because I'm pretty sure there is not a system disk on the floppy. Maybe need to use a pin to get the floppy disk out here. Oh, even better, we got it out. Yeah, it reads system 7.5 actually, so that should be okay. And now let's see if it boots up or not. And you see now it wants the floppy again. Now let's see if we can now start it in the OS 6 again. Okay, alrighty, now it actually said, welcome to Macintosh in English. And oh, cool thing, it is in English now, and it says the disk is damaged. Do you want to initialize it? Yes, why not? The process will erase all information on the disk. No, we do not want to do that for the time being. Let's see what it reads on the boot disk. It reads actually system folder and startup device. Maybe the file startup device could not be opened. Okay, so full disclosure, I haven't used that thing, as I said before, in a long time. I know there was a trick where I could actually then tell it boot from the hard disk drive. Again, I do not know how. Okay, I inserted the disk of the System 7.5, but now I have no clue what to do here, to be honest. So I could really need some help here. Okay, so the apparent reason is it's not finding my hard disk drive, and that is a big issue here. But at least I could show you that we can boot this baby from the installed ROM, which is the System 6.0, but from here on I would need help. Okay, there's one thing I want to try, and maybe try a restart with the floppy inserted. Not sure if that's working, but if there is a classic 68,000 Mac fan out there, or Apple Macintosh fan out there who can help me, I would appreciate that. Okay, it just threw out my disk, the floppy disk. Not good, maybe. Now what's going on here? I guess it's asking for it, just shove it in there. But it didn't work before. But hey, the good news is it seems that my monitor, the CRT, is actually stable now. That makes me happy. It appears to boot now from, or not boot, read from the floppy disk. I'm not sure, to be honest, if that's the system disk, because that is just the utility disk. And I am not sure if I have the System 7.5 system floppy still. So yeah, so it reads welcome again. And now we shall see. I also realized that thing is loud like crazy, and I totally have forgotten if it has to be that loud or not. So we shall see. All right, we came to this point now, maybe good sign. So it reads, the volume format cannot be read. Do you want to initialize the volume? And it reads without title. And we see here that we have a 599.6 megabyte hard disk. And I guess I am brave enough and says, yeah, initialize. And reads all information on the volume will be deleted. Well, I guess that is maybe not a good idea. I clicked it, and now it says it's creating folders. And let's see what happens. I fear we will not have a System 7.5 on it later, but maybe if we are lucky, we at least have access to the hard disk drive under System 6 or OS 6, and that would be a good thing. So I actually did not expect that it boots up. That's why I'm filming just with the iPhone in my hand, and I did not turn on the light. So I am sorry for that, but I just thought I'll share that with you now. It boots up here, and it says it's loading the system programs right now, but I am not sure right now what's going on. Before I end this video, it actually shows us now that at least the diskette has System 7.5 on it. It reads that our Mac has a memory of at least 4 megabyte. which is awesome. So I guess that's not too bad. But I have no clue how I ever get a system on this. It shows system folder here, so I'm not sure if I could actually install the system on the hard disk drive. And that is something, yeah, where I'm stuck now. I am pretty sure the system 7.5 cannot be just on one floppy disk, right? But let's just see what happens if we click into systems. Maybe we can install it on the hard disk drive. I mean, that would be like winning the lottery. I highly doubt it, or it will ask for another disk. So let's see what's happening here. Also, I have no clue how we could actually switch that to English language. I am not even sure if the system I have could ever switch to. I am not sure. I guess there is actually nothing in that folder here. That is bad. Let's see here, just for fun, since we are in that. What's going to happen? It reads control fields. Okay, good news. We are in System 6 now, and the one good thing here is at least it recognizes my floppy disk now. Now, I am honestly not sure if, let's see, what does it read now? So it reads System 6.0, so that is the system or the OS which is installed here. And well, now I wonder, I maybe need to find my System 7.5 disk somehow, or I might at least can legally download System 6.0 03, since I legally own it. It's on that machine, so I guess, and if somebody could tell me, it should be legal that I at least download the System 6.03 ROM from the internet, since I legally own it because it's in that computer. And I don't care if I have System 7.5 or